Good afternoon, everyone. I'll be taking you through A16. This is our nomination for the best feature phone category. And the way our presentation is structured is that we'll first be taking you through the target group user, its needs, then finally at the product and how is it special and how is it meeting the requirements. And then finally the competition. How does it stand vis-a-vis the competition? So next, before starting with our TG, I would like to show you a clip.
What we're doing is we're showing you an audio clip. The clip encapsulates the genesis of this product. Why was this product thought of, and who's the customer for this for the phone we are referring to. What you will see in the audio, it's a Hindi clip. So for your reference, I can just quickly run you through. The visual is pretty much detailed, so you'll be able to understand what are we talking about. Yeah, there's some technical glitch because of which we're waiting for the sound to come. Yeah.
इसके लिए कैसे जाते हैं? हाँ दीदी, बस की भीड़, धक्कम धक्के, आराम से घर पे बैठी होती। 22 की उम्र में शादी, स्कूटी से इतना प्यार। अरे पगली, पापा स्कूटी ना लाके देते तो लाइफ कितनी डिफरेंट होती ना। वो कैसे? अच्छा सोच, ट्यूशन्स के लिए कैसे जाते? हाँ दीदी, बस की भीड़, धक्कम धक्के, आराम से घर पे बैठी होती। 22 की उम्र में शादी और 9 बजे सासू माँ के साथ सास बहू वाला सीरियल और फिर चुन्नू मामा वो भी। लाइफ शायद इतनी बुरी भी नहीं होती, पर क्या इतनी अच्छी हो पाती? ना मम्मी पापा तो खुशी होते, खुश तो होते, पर आज उन्हें तुम पे नाज है डॉक्टर।
Yeah. So what this clip shows that exactly what our TG is. So this is the girl we are talking about, and this is the girl for which we designed the entire phone. So typically this girl is between 18 to 26. She is probably residing in some tier 1 city, 2, 3 city, maybe a Lucknow for that matter. She's not a metro girl. Then she's ambitious, she wants to become someone, but she's very traditional, so she would like to follow she'll like to do what her parents want her to do, so she might not have a chance to follow her dreams completely. So she is a girl who would probably be working as a teacher in a small city like Meerut, or maybe a final year graduate student who would be studying in a local university. So this is the entire girl. So if you're able to visualize, then this is the girl we are talking about. So what does she need? First of all the girls want to have beautiful phones. By beautiful, they need to be slim, they need to be curved, they need to have curves, they need to be in so many colors, and they need to be beautiful. So far, if you see the market, then very little has been done keeping the females in mind. The most they do is maybe change the color, maybe have a pink color phone. But as such, internally, very little has been done inside the phone. So, the software part of it, or even the outlooks. Very few phones are specially positioned towards females. So, this leads us to a need gap, that there are females who want to have phones that are like them, so that define them. But if you see the market, there are hardly any phones there. For example, I tend to drop my phone a lot. I'm talking and then my phone slips from my hand. I just tend to drop it like normally 2-3 times a day. I keep my phone in my purse. I do not keep it in my pocket. So it scratches a lot. So my screen usually gets scratched up. The back panel scratches up a lot. And if you see Indian girls, then I think most of you would agree that if your daughters are there or if your wives are there, they would not like to go to the service center themselves. If the phone has some glitch, they would like to give the phone to their brothers or their husbands, and then they would take the phones to the service centers. So keeping all these problems in mind that girls normally face, we have designed the phone. So I would just like to give a brief glimpse about how the phone looks like. So a few visuals. So these are the 3 colors it's available in. So now the question comes that how is it special? How is it special from the rest of the phones that are there in the market? So first of all, we'll talk about aesthetics, because aesthetics is one thing that girls value a lot. So if you see the back of the phone, then it has a diamond cut finish. So you can see diamonds, you can see the glittering effect and the glamorousness in the phone. So because every girl wants to look special, every girl wants to look glamorous. There is a UV coating at the back which makes it scratch resistant. So even if the girl keeps the phone in her bag, it will not be scratched. So it will be more resistant to scratches. The scratches will not be visible and it would not get scratched basically.
So what I'll encourage you to do is just try to scratch the back of the phone. So yeah, if you just try to scratch the back of the phone with your nail or with the keys. Yeah. So this is because of special UV coating which is there on the phone.
So if you look at the
actually,
overall design of the phone, just turn it back and
Sure. So
there are curves to the phone. So it's
this
curvy.
is
It's not
scratchless. You can try to. It's completely scratchless.
and even the phone has slender looks. It's sleek in its design.
Yeah. The screen. This is not an absolutely new phone. So,
This is polycarbonate. No new phone will be scratched, yeah.
yeah.
So what feature you are giving, it doesn't get scratched. But
So it's on the back.
It's on the back, sir.
The back. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. And with UV coating. Actually. Yeah. Sure.
So next is first of all the aesthetics that girls like a lot, and second is robustness. That is, they tend to drop their phone a lot, all those things. So how are we catering to that, and how is this phone special with respect to the rest of the phones in the market? So in this I would like to show you a video. It is on our it is how the phone is tested when it was made.
This is the Lava in-house R&D. We have our R&D facility in China, and this is how we tested the phone. So this is a twist test. We had 20,000 cycles in the twisting. This is keypad. 300,000 times we tested the keypad. Normally, the industry standard is 150,000 or 200,000. So this is micro dropping. Like we drop our phone on the table. So like this. We have this habit. So 40,000 times we tested this. This is soft pressing, when we have the phone in our pockets and the phone gets pressed while we sit. This is for the scratch test, in which we roll the phone. The green and the yellow are stones. They're real hard stones, and we tested the phone on this for 2 hours. This is the rolling test, in which the phone gets dropped from one corner to the other. So as the equipment rotates, so does the phone drop from one corner to the other. This is for the USB cable, the charging cable and the USB cable. We check the bending capabilities of the cable. These are 2 kg weights. The weights which you see, the 2 kg weights.
Just to give a brief, we have listed the main components. For example, the PCB. PCB is the, you can say, the motherboard of your cell phone. So the supplier that we have used, we have tried to use the best of the suppliers that are there in the market. Our supplier is the same who supplies the PCB for Apple iPad. It is a 8-layer PCB with a gold plating. So normally in the industry, people use 6-layer PCB, and the costing is double for the 8-layer. So for example, the LCD is from Truly, which is #1 in China. Battery connectors are from Molex US. So everything, the battery connectors are gold plated, so you know you have less chances of cross connection and other things. Then speaker is from NXP, which is, you know, it's the world's number one in mobile phone speaker. So overall, we designed the phone keeping the robustness and the reliability in mind, because we know our TG drops the phone a lot. Now, in terms of features, how did we incorporate our learnings from the TG and the needs of our TG into real value adding features? So how is that connection made? In features, if you see the screen size is 2.6 inch, which is very rare in bar phones. The camera is 3.2, and girls have a we did our in-house research, and we found that girls listen to more music compared to boys normally. So you know, girls are more emotional, they listen to more music. So we've paid a lot of emphasis on music. So we had Yamaha PA and SRS Wow HD to complete the music experience and to give a very good music experience. Next is, if you see the GUI of the phone, it's very special. So, you know, Nipun will be just showing you the graphic user interface. This was specially designed keeping girls in mind. So, for example, the message, there is a bird which comes, and the bird has a message in his beak and he drops it in the mobile phone. I mean, in the post box. Then the games, the birds are carrying puzzles. So, you know, it's all keeping in mind the girl, because girls like aesthetics. So it's all to do with aesthetics. And we are giving 3 inbuilt GUIs, plus you can download multiple themes from our online server, which you can directly access from the phone itself. There are 5 inbuilt fonts, which are usually not there. So that's how we have tried to bring in the innovativeness in the phone. Then if you see the camera, it has a Lomo software. So in this, what happens is that you can do various live effects. So there are 2 type of things. Normally, all the cameras, all the phones that you see in market can make the effects, but they can do it post you take the picture. So, you know, this happens before taking the picture. So, you know, whatever you see has that effect through your phone. So, you know which scene will look good in this effect, which scene will not look good in that effect. So, you don't have to first click a picture and then apply the effect. So, these are various effects. So, there is handwriting, cartoon, everything. Next, the most important feature. Like I previously explained that girls normally, if their phones have problem, then they would ask their parents or brothers to take the phone to a service center. So we tried to solve this problem through a upgrade software, which can be done by sitting at home only. So you know, you don't need to go to the service center. You can just upgrade your phone by sitting there from your PC.
You know, it's like usually in smartphones, in feature phones it's not available. In smartphones you can upgrade the software yourself. Just download either from, if it's a BlackBerry or an Apple. Yes.
Yes, yes.
In addition to being a feature phone, if you have to upgrade the software, you can do it yourself.
Yeah. So normally this is not available in any feature phone. So it's available only in smartphones. So how is it fair?
You can run through.
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
Vis-a-vis competition.
Skip this.
Okay. So we launched it. I would just like to show a few images the way we launched the phone.
So what we did, each of the geographies, they launched in their own way. This is in the previous slide, it was 25th December when we launched, so some people did it the Christmas way. They had Santa Claus going to each of the retailers, and that is how we did
So, you know,
the
we
launch.
went to some women colleges, all those things.
Which one, sir?
Yeah. So, in all 3 parameters, if we see innovativeness, we try to bring in through the live themes and festival-specific wallpapers. So what we have is that the moment there is a festival, for example, let's say Valentine's Day, 14 Feb. So automatically the wallpaper will change. So, you know, it will be a 14 Feb wallpaper, which gives a very good feeling. So then if we see the market impact, then the tertiary figures, when we launched the phone, the tertiary is when the retailer sells it to the customer. So, pure going to the customer, they were about 200 per day within 20 days of launch.
So we had 200 customers buying our phone every day. So this was before we did the TV commercial.
Then our total primary figures till now have been 25,000 and tertiary 15,000. If I try to assess the social impact of the phone, then the ways it has made the life easier of my target group is through an inbuilt service center list. So, normally people have user manuals which have the service center list. In this, the phone itself has a service center list.
For example, if I ask you, you have a problem, but where is the service center of your phone? The nearest service center, you will not know it, off the hand. But in our case, the phone itself has the service center list inbuilt.
So also, if a call is...
Yes. Yeah, so in this case, it does not happen over the air. If you install the new software, which is also available online, then the service center list also gets updated.
Also, if the call is coming, then the call will show that from which area is it coming. So is it coming from Andhra Pradesh? Is it coming from where? So, girls normally have a problem in blank calls and all those things. So we have tried to bring in some used. Then it's easy to navigate menus, software upgrade through PC and themes online.
Sorry, thank you very
That's
much.
it.
Where from the incoming call has originated.
Yes.
Would it be state specific, town specific, or BTS specific?
So it'll be state specific, circles basically.
Circle specific.
Yeah, circles.
Fine. Thank you.
Policy we have that we can MNP from the circle is from one circle to another circle as well. In that case, how will we going to manage this feature that from where the call is coming? And secondly, that there will be no roaming. I hope so in the new telecom policy we have. So how can you manage this feature that you will be getting to know that from which state specific the call is coming?
So right now what is happening is that the government rule that you're talking about is between operators, that you can switch between operators. So if I'm saying here I don't like Airtel, so I'll switch with Vodafone, but inter-circle transferability is yet not there.
Yeah.
What we've done is we have a database at the backend inside the software which tracks because there are series allocated to each of the operators.
Right.
So if you will shift to MNP, you will go only to a specific operator, which the series will still belong to one specific operator for which we have the backend calculation done. So therefore, it won't be any problem if you do.
No, but when there will be no roaming charges, I am in right now Delhi, I will get the Delhi SIM, and then if I will be shifted to Mumbai, then it will be obviously I will not change my number.
I think it's irrelevant because the phone's physical location at the point of call is the issue. It's not a question of whether you're roaming or not.
Yeah.